Mechanics will charge you a good amount of dollars to replace both headlight bulbs, but after watching this video, you can do the replacement yourself. First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo, there is that lever that needs to be pushed towards upside, and then we lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is a clip that we will take out using a screwdriver. There is the top portion of the clip taken out. Now using a clip remover tool, we will take out the bottom portion. Bottom part is also out. Now we'll use a Torx 30 bit along with a screwdriver like this. With a combination of tool like this, we will take out a screw right there. There's that screw taken out. Similar screw we will take out on the top portion where the hood hinge is. Second screw is also out. Now what we'll do is we'll push the headlight just like this and then jump onto the top portion. Notice here I am pushing the headlight. Then while holding it like that, I will punch in a trim remover tool and then pull out the tab of the headlight right there. There it is. The headlight tab is pulled out. We'll grab the headlight from the same position and then pull out the complete headlight just like that. There we got the headlight taken out from that position. This is how the headlight looks like from behind. And here's the location for the high beam bulb. Right beside is the location for the low beam bulb. We will take out the high beam bulb first, grab the cover, turn it counterclockwise, then pull it outwards. Behind the cover there is that bulb inside. It's a slightly different bulb than you would normally see on different cars. Notice there is actually a tab underneath the bulb right there. The way we take it out is we press and hold the tab and then pull out the plug. There we got the plug taken out. After that we'll take out the bulb. Now we are good to grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. That is how we take out the bulb. My case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just remember not to touch the glass portion of the bulb with bare hands because our hands have some sort of oil. And if we end up touching the glass portion with bare hands, that oil will stay on the glass, and down the road while the bulb is heated up, it's going to burn the bulb, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Now we'll go ahead and install the bulb back where we took it out from. Notice on the bulb itself, there are two pointers coming out just like that I'm highlighting right now. These two pointers are supposed to go into the position of the headlight right there. And notice there's also this line coming out right here. This line is supposed to be going at the bottom right there. We will go ahead and punch in the bulb, keeping in mind all those positions. Just make sure that line portion of the bulb goes at the very bottom. It is a bit tight spot right there, so you may have to work your way out. There's the bulb completely in. Just make sure there are no gaps in the surrounding of the bulb. I don't see any gap in my case, which is good. So we are good to punch in the plug right there. The plug also has two tabs coming out. There's one tab right here and the other tab right there. These two tabs are supposed to be slided in into one position right here and the other position right there. We'll go ahead and punch in the plug, keeping in mind those two positions. There it is. Once the plug is in position, then we will just press it all the way down until it goes completely in. After the clicking sound, it means the plug is completely all the way in position. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover back. The cover itself has two positions. There's one position right here and the other position on the other side. Both of them have to be slided into these two pointers coming out at the top and at the bottom. We'll go ahead and punch in the cover. Once completely in, then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it's completely in, also not coming out. This is where we took out the high beam bulb, and on top is the location for the low beam bulb. We'll need to grab the cover for this. This cover is slightly different from the first one. I ended up using a trim remover tool because I was not able to pull it out using my fingers only. There's the cover pulled out. Since I cannot punch in the camera right there, so I may have to tilt the headlight so that you guys could see what I'm doing. This is how the bulb looks like from behind. We will grab it and then turn it counterclockwise, then pull it outwards. There we take out the bulb along with the plug. Now to take out the bulb from the plug itself, there is actually a tab right here. Press and hold that tab and then pull the bulb outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the bulb. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just make sure to never touch the glass portion with bare hands. Again, for the same reason, our hands have some sort of oil. If we end up touching the glass portion with bare hands, that oil will stay on the glass and down the road while the bulb is heated up, it's going to burn the bulb, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the bulb back. Notice on the bulb itself there's actually a pointer coming out right here. This pointer is supposed to go towards the tap side of the plug. We'll go ahead and punch in the bulb and then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There's the bulb completely in, also not coming out. Now it's time to punch in the bulb along with the plug all the way inside the headlight. Before punching in the bulb, notice the bulb itself has 3 tabs. 1, 2, then the third tab right here. All these 3 tabs are supposed to be going into these 3 positions of the headlight right there. We'll punch in the bulb just like that. Make sure the bulb completely goes in first. Once the bulb is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There, it's completely in, also not coming out. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover. With the cover in place, with that we are done with the replacement of both headlight bulbs. Now if you notice underneath the headlight there's actually a big pointer coming out just like this. That big pointer is supposed to go in that bracket at the bottom right there, the white color one. So while installing the headlight, just make sure that pointer goes completely inside that bracket. Now we need to make sure that this part of the headlight as well as the other part, they both go completely inside the bumper. Also, this tab of the headlight is supposed to go underneath the cover right here. We'll grab the headlight and then punch in the bottom 2 glass portions. We got the bottom position in place. One way to check it's completely in, notice there is a hole visible right here and the other hole is also visible on top. After this, we will go at the top and then punch in the headlight tab right there. There it is, it's also in position. Starting from the bottom, I'll punch in the clip and then press it down. Clip is in. Now I will go ahead and punch in the screw, then tight all the way till the very end. First screw is tight, similar way we will tighten the second screw at the top. Second screw is also tight. With that, we are done with our replacement process. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.